Do you want to create a website for your barbershop, but you just don't have the funds or resources to go out and hire a full team of developers to build you one? Or you might just not have the time to learn how to code or script. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create a website for your barbershop for free using Google's website builder, all in under 10 minutes. My name is Mike Joseph, founder of VisualMedia Marketing, the #1 agency for barbershops. And today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be me here standing, you're not going to just be seeing my face, giving you guys helpful information, tips, advice, things like that. It's more of a how-to video, so I'll be hopping on my computer, I'll be sharing my screen, where you guys will be able to follow me along and watch me step by step building out a website on Google's free website builder. All right, let's get started. I'll see you on the other side. Before I begin, one thing I definitely want to mention to you guys, or I guess a disclaimer, is creating a website with Google, I want to say this is a temporary fix. Ideally, you want to be on WordPress or on Wix, and the main reason why is because the Google website that you're going to be able to create here is pretty generic. The only reason I recommend this is if you don't have the funds or the resources to create a website of your own using WordPress or Wix. If you don't have the funds, start off with a Google business because it's 100% free. You need something to represent your business online. So if anyone's Googling or searching barbershops in my area or barbershops near me, you want to show up, and having a website is going to help you show up on those Google search rankings. So let's begin. So as you see, I'm on google.com/business/website builder. It's going to ask me to enter my business. So if I already have my business set up on Google, my business page, right here, if I already have it set up, it's going to show. So let's say, for example, my business is Mike's Barbershop. As you see, if any of these were actually my businesses, I would click on it and I would be able to create a website for it. If not, you're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to click create a website for my business or for this business. It's going to bring you right here. You're going to click create your free website, and it's going to ask you your business category. So I'm going to put barbershop. I'm going to click barbershop. I'm going to click next. Now it's going to ask me what services I want to add. It's going to suggest a few. I'm going to say hair coloring, extension. You can also add your custom services. So if you wanted to write men's haircut, if you wanted to write, let me add another custom one that says kids haircut. And if I wanted to make a VIP service, or I can make it say like the works. That's what we have for one of our other clients, the works. We can say it's a VIP service, right? Now I'm going to hit next. Next thing it's going to ask me is if I want to add a business location to the website. I'm going to say yes, because again, we want to make it easier for people to find you online. It's the easier it is for people to find you, the more likely they'll be able to come to your barbershop. It's simple. So it's going to ask me about what street address I want to put in. Let's say, I don't know, let's say 25 Main Street, Boston, right? Let's just say it's that. And it's going to auto-populate. I'm going to hit next. Now it's going to ask me if I serve customers outside this location. So really, this is if you deliver to your customers, or if you are a mobile barbershop. I'm just going to say no. Let's say no, I don't. I'm going to hit next. Now it's going to ask me for a business number. I'm going to put in 508-377-4578. And it does verify the number, so I'm going to hit next. So this is an actual number. And now in just a few finishing touches, I should have my website. And there you go. There's my website. As you see here, like I said, it's not like, oh my God, the most beautiful website in the world, but it gets the job done in terms of getting the information out there about your shop. See, it has the location, has how to contact you guys. And right here, you can go to themes. You can change the theme. If I want to change the theme of my website, as you see, this is the current theme right now. I can change the color. So whatever my brand colors are, I will just customize it to this, right? So you have a few different themes you can choose from. You can also change, let me hit save, and you can also change some of the edits. So if I didn't want the button to be get a quote, if I wanted it to be a call now or to make an appointment, I can also add that there. And if I was using a third-party software to book appointments, I would just put my booking link right here. So when anyone were to click book an appointment with me, they'd just be able to go right to my appointment software, my booking software, whether it be Acuity, Booksy, Squire, whatever one you're using. And then you can also add more words like book now. I mean, you can add so much more to it. Again, like I said, it's not the most customizable. It's very generic, but it's free, and it takes less than less than 10 minutes to create. If I wanted to add any pictures, I can just throw them in here. Like I said, it's very plug and play. And then all you got to do is publish your website. Another thing it also allows you to do is you're able to buy your domain. So if you're not familiar with what a domain is, it's literally the URL. So for example, if I wanted to buy the name mikesbarbershop.co, I can buy that for $30 a year, right? So you can do that. Or if I wanted to buy another domain, I can view other ones, mikesbarbershop.net, mikesbarbershop.org. So if I bought mikesbarbershop.org, and I buy this domain, and I connect it to this website, anybody who types mikesbarbershop.org is going to be on my website, right? If you don't, what's going to happen is Google's going to give you a domain. It's going to say whatever you want it to. Look, this is what Google will say if you don't want it, if you don't get a domain, right? I can make it say Mike's Barbershop, and it's going to be .business.site.com. But this is already taken, so if I wanted to add numbers, again, I don't. To be honest, I don't recommend adding numbers to any domain name. But again, if this is temporary, Mike's Barbershop 123.business.site, that would be my Google site or my domain name, my temporary domain name, unless I buy an actual domain. Now, if you were to ask me, should you get a domain name? I recommend that you do. Again, if you're low on funds or you're low on your resources, then stick with whatever Google gets you until you get to that level, right? But again, guys, this is exactly how you create a free website using Google, and you can kind of manage some of the posts on your site, some more info, all right here, all through the Google My Business page. So yeah, guys, that's exactly how you create a website using Google's free website builder. If you have any other questions, make sure to drop a comment. I'll make sure to answer to the best of my ability. And if you guys want me to cover any other videos or any other how-to videos covering different things, definitely let me know, and I'll be able to create more content that's relevant to you guys. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. All right, take care.